The city does not sleep, it recalibrates. Tomorrow at 7:40, they will remove my heart. Not because it failed, because it is old. They say the new one will not tire. It will not race at the wrong moment. It will not ache for no measurable reason. I place my hand over my chest. It answers, not evenly, not perfectly, but honestly. Across the room, she is pretending to read. The page hasn't moved in minutes. They've done thousands, she says, as routine as changing a battery. I nod. We both know that isn't the point. A machine can replace muscle. It can replace rhythm, but it cannot replace the first time it broke. The first time it leapt at the sight of her in a yellow dress by the river. I remember how it pounded when our daughter was born. I remember how it ached when we buried my father. An artificial heart will not remember. It will respond. There is a difference. She comes to sit beside me. Her hand finds mine without looking. If it keeps you here longer, she whispers, isn't that enough? I want to say yes. I want to make this simple. But something in my chest stirs, as if it knows. I don't want to live longer. I want to live as me. Tomorrow they will lift it out, place it in a sterile tray, catalog it, discard it. An organ, a solved problem. I close my eyes and listen. It is not steady, it is not strong, but it is mine. Promise me, I say, that if I feel different, you'll tell me. Her fingers tighten. You won't, she says, but her voice trembles. The tower light blinks. Red, white, red. I wonder if the new heart will ever race for no reason at all. I wonder if it will ever ache for a memory it cannot access. She leans her forehead against mine. For a moment, the city disappears. There is only breath, only warmth, only this fragile rhythm between us. Good night, she says. I rest my hand over my chest one last time and listen until sleep comes.